Peace, blessings, and growth, beautiful flowers. What's up, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. You too are a beautiful flower. I am Ayana. So if you read the title, you already know what this video is about, but I'm gonna go a little bit into some details. So I've decided to do 100 of one particular exercise a day for a certain amount of days. I'm not going to disclose at this moment, but today we are doing a walk it out. As you all can see, all I do is stand up and I'm literally walking all the way down to the ground, and then I'm lifting while I'm walking myself back up. I'm doing 100 of those for today. I would love for you all to also join me on this exercise challenge. You don't have to do the same exercise that I do. Like I said, I'm doing walk it outs. But let's say if you're more comfortable with jumping jacks, you could do 100 jumping jacks. Let's say if you don't want to do 100, you could do whatever number fits you. I'm going to continue to just let y'all watch me conquer these 100 walk it outs. And if you feeling motivated, get down and do you some walk it outs as well, or set some type of challenge for yourself as well. Fitness challenge. And you can do other challenges as well, but we talk about fitness. But I love you all, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace. More. 20 more. Okay. So, challenge accepted and completed. Let me get some water. Okay. So, if you also want to join me on this challenge, come on in. You don't have to do 100. You don't even have to do 20. Start off with 5 if that's what you feel like you do. Then gradually go to 10, 15, 20. And I'm telling you, you might be doing 1,000 a day. So I feel like, I'm sweating, but I feel like I could most definitely sweat a little more. So I think I'm going to challenge myself for something else. Yeah, you all will know if I do, because I will post it. Peace.